Tech 100 again traded bearish throughout the week and in fact has gone close to 10,800 level. And if you see this, this is the third higher lows in the series. So can it break past this and can it trade bearish, or is it going to bounce back from here? And if you're a Swiss position, we should take in order to profit for the last trading week and a curtailed week for the year 2022. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the daily updates for NASDAQ 100 and daily targets which I share. In fact, twice a day, once with the Asia session, next with the US session. So twice a day you get the updates. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. And if you look at the weekly charts for NASDAQ 100, certainly this is the bearish channel and you can see how well the highs are connected, and this time again it has taken the dip with this high and achieving this high. We have seen this good drop. Now look at this, the last three lows. You can certainly see higher lows are getting created here, and only if it breaks past this zone, we can expect that NASDAQ 100 is going to crash further. That is my expectation if it breaks past this lows. Now look at this also. You can see these multiple candles. First of all, higher lows are getting created. At the same time, this time it is closed well above this lows at 10,800. That is another expectation that it is trying to consolidate a bit before it tries to rally. Now look at this. What has happened here in 2020? It consolidated here in the same zone in the similar fashion. You can see now if you look at the pattern there, we have analyzed it several times. These are the highs, these are the highs, this is the rally, this is the drop. Now consolidation, this is the high, this is the high, again the lows, the lows. So it has achieved these zone here multiple times, and see if it breaks past this, there is a certain lows which it has to still achieve. We have in few weeks back when we had analyzed this, we had expected that there is further lows till 9,600, but right now it is consolidating and there is a possibility that what it did here, it can repeat here again and achieve the high, that 12,000 level. That is my expectation. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts too, likewise you can see rise, consolidation, drop. It is done with the moves here. Also, if you look at what it has done, let me create it for you. This is the channel in which it is trying to trade. The bottom is done. There is a possibility of reversal, and only if it breaks past this zone at 11,200, 11,300, you can confirm that there is little rise, and specifically beyond 11,400 level. This is the level which I will be looking forward to. Once it trades beyond 11,400, more bullishness can be expected, and then you can expect that the next size which it might look at is going to be somewhere here at this zone 12,000, 12,400. Possibility for it to rise exists, and hence you need to remain watchful. Right now for the near term, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. And yes, do not forget, breaking past this, breaking past these two channels, this is a bullish channel and this is a long-term consolidation channel. So if it breaks this, it is going to doom, it is going to crash, it is going to fall further. Let's have a look at the monthly charts now. Now look at the monthly charts. It can't be more beautiful than this. All three candles very well aligned with the lows out there. At the same time, it has seen higher highs. So higher highs, higher lows, indicating that this is still trying to trade bullish. The pivot at around 11,500, beyond which you can definitely expect more rise. And right now, it is still very much in the near-term bullish channel. Only if it breaks past this zone at the lows, certainly you can expect more bearishness is there. Till the time possibility for it to consolidate more exists, and it is trying to trade in this. Hence, we need to be very cautious in between the 11,000, 12,000 zone. Till the time it trades in the month of January in between 11,000, 12,000, we need to remain cautious. Now, this is on the monthly charts. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? On the monthly charts, it appears on the monthly, weekly, daily chart that the lows are done and there is a possibility for a revival or a retracement or a rise from here. Now on the daily chart, see the last candle here, higher lows and a green candle. Now once it trades beyond 11,000, you can expect first 11,100 and then 11,240. Once it trades past 11,300, certainly more bullishness, and how far it can rise, I will expect it to come back and hit at 11,500 level. There is a possibility that even if it is bearish, it may try to hit the zone at 11,500, 600, which is a very strong resistance zone. Look at the direction movement, this is bearish. The stochastic was oversold and now trying to rise a little. The MACD is definitely bearish. It is crossed over here. It is trading with a divergence. Now look at the candle size on the MACD here. It has achieved the high. The possibility for it to converge from here is very, very high. Let's see how far it can stretch. The RSI too has seen the bottom there. Possibility for it to for a revival exists here. Now look at the weekly charts. Here is the 50 and 100 period crossover. This is trading with divergence. This is 20 period moving average far above at around 11,800. Certainly this is trying to trade bearish. It has to surpass this zone at 11,800, 12,000 levels certainly, which may try to indicate little bullishness. Now look at the directional movement on the weekly chart. Throughout the year it has traded bearish and again trying to diverge from here. The weekly stochastic has seen the highs, now again trying to trade with a drop. The MACD is trying to converge again, crossover for a sell. Let's see if it does. The RSI is also looking down. Now on the weekly charts, look at the crossover here, crossover here, and see lower highs, and here it appears it is consolidating a bit. Let it give a breakout. Definitely we may see a good rise sooner or later before it tries to drop further. Now let's have a look at the monthly chart. On the monthly charts too, it is trading comfortably above the 100 period moving average, though the 20 period moving average is far away at 14,000 levels. The directional movement here is bearish. It is trying to converge a bit. The stochastic is trading at the bottom, trying to look upwards, but this candle closing definitely will bring it again on the oversold zone, and if it trades oversold, possibility for it to rise again will exist in the month of January. Now the MACD here is bearish. It appears the MACD has seen the highs. See, the candle size has seen the highs. Now there is a possibility for it to converge from here, which I will look forward to. The RSI is looking downwards here, and if you look and see, the RSI is also looking downwards and the stochastic is oversold, which means that there could be a possibility for a retracement. I look forward to. And also we have seen the lows are done as and well aligned. Only and only if it breaks past this zone at 10,800, 10,500, then you can expect that NASDAQ 100 is going to do further. How far it can stretch? The next target is going to be this zone at 9,500, 600, and then 9,000. Yes, sooner or later, maybe few years, few months down the lane, it may try to achieve this zone, but right now there is a possibility for it to retrace. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the levels for next week, which you can trade, which you can make profit if you enter at those levels. Before I provide you the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, identifying the tools and strategy, equip yourself with the right strategy so that you can become a profitable and proficient trader, you should join my mentorship batch. The 18th batch is going to start on 9th of January. This is a 15 days, 90-minute session. Be a part of it and definitely you will cherish it for life. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, I will recommend you to buy here at 11,020. If you see Nasdaq 100 at 11,020, you can initiate a buy position. The next target which one can look forward to is very nearby at 11,050, then 11,100. Breaking beyond which next target is 11,190, and if it trades above this, one can look forward to 11,300. It has to break past this. More bullishness will be seen. Then 11,385. Beyond this, 11,500 and 11,660. Now these are my favorite numbers, those who watch regularly. Beyond 11,660, more bullishness, 11,840, and then sky is the limit for 12,000 and plus levels. If not this week, possibly by next week, we may see it hitting those levels. On the downside, initiate a sell entry at 10,920 again, but then expect 10,880. Very good support here. Then 10,800 levels, directly the next support level. Breaching below 10,800, no option but to remain short. There is no looking back. Possibly we may see it hitting 10,710 levels and 10,633. Below that, further drop will take it for 10,550, 10,400 and below levels. My expectation that the lows for the month are done and there is the possibility for a retracement, and we may see it hitting a little high at around 11,400, 500 levels can be expected. This time it can try to breach it high and hence trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do watch the daily analysis as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.